It's your boy Shane Jackson here, coming at you again with another video for today. And today, we will be walking and talking through the trails. We walked halfway, but I ended it for the third time. First time because of a dumb spider web, and then the second time because I put it too close, and then the third time because I put it too close. I'll try to keep it far, but I can't really notice sometimes.
And, like, we've been grinding Black Ops 3. You got 4 DLC weapons. This week I got 2.
Yeah, freaking! I got the FFAR Marshall 16 and the wrench and the MVP.
And I got the new rocket launcher and the wrench. And you're going to your grandma's, so I'm going to make 4 videos today. It depends how long it takes Shane to get home. I might live stream when me and Shane are playing, or I might just...
Oh god, like, it's slipping out of my hand. Can you grab onto this? Okay, and I got a big grip.
And, yeah, we were going to the park, but this is more a private area, you know.
And kids would probably just walk up to us. So, like,
yeah, like this one kid went up to the door and just, like, looked through.
I hate the people in my neighborhood. They just stare into the door all the freaking time.
And, yeah.
I'm gonna hold it with my right hand. Yeah, there we go. Ugh.
We might just, like, go through a different trail, you know?
No, we don't have very much time.
We don't have to take the travel on.
We would have had till 6, but I have to go to my grandma's for Mother's Day celebration dinner.
And I'm not sure, but I think when my mom wakes up, she's going to take me and my sister out for some Chinese food. And, yeah. I'm going to be picking up Shane in the morning.
I'm gonna do another walk in the school thing.
And then after school.
Yeah, I knew I said that I was gonna like do it on the last day of school after, but like I want to keep on doing them just for an upload. So, and I'm on an upload streak. I'll have to count how many videos I've done. Sorry if the wind is bothering, but.
Yeah, there isn't really much going on now. We're just basically
okay, well, we'll just talk about what we had. We had a plan to like build like the fort. So one of our friends had an idea to break it down and then we rebuild it, but nail all the sticks. But he got bored of it, so we couldn't do that. In the fourth series, we're kind of questioning the fourth series.
And the only reason why today I couldn't go over to my friend's house is because I don't know why my sister's like all cranky and all that, but my friend kind of like lives across town, you would say, but the only reason why I could come and walk with Shane to the Shoes Trail is because he lives close, and I could just walk up there, and yeah.
Yeah, and I wouldn't be able to come because I had to go to my grandma's, so.
And I kind of wish we did go to the park, shoot some hoops up, so it's like easier to get to your place. It takes less time.
We could have done like 1st to 21, but like there's so many people there.
Well, they're not at the basketball court, they're at the park.
Yeah, but I mean like they would see us.
So?
So like they would walk up to us. Like everybody has to. Jesus Christ, do you guys hear that?
You thought that's a helicopter or like?
Holy. I'm scared, William.
Sounds like it's getting closer.
Oh my god. William. Holy.
Is it like the wind? Is it a plane?
That's so close. We might die today.
If that's the wind, then holy.
What? What is going on?
Okay, that's definitely the wind. I don't see no planes or anything.
Let's get out of here.
I kind of heard like a branch snapping over there.
I'll have to cut the video here, guys. You can really hear this thing.
It is like loud. We're like running back. We're going to go to the park instead, but
Look at this trail.
yeah, we like heard a branch snap, like snap in half.
Okay, that wasn't there. Okay, it sounds like it's getting farther away.
But
Jeez, did you guys hear that? Holy.
sounds like a tornado. As we were listening, there was like a branch snapping, like in the woods.
Yes.
Where the trees are. Why do I have a feeling we're gonna fall like by a cougar or something?
I know.
Or a bear?
Jesus.
Let me know when you want to run again because
Jeez. It's like,
yeah, let's go to the park where it's more safer.
jeez, man. That's scary.
Scary, fun, scary.
I can't believe we caught this on camera, though. But, like, that's nuts.
Like, if you guys can hear it, it sounds like a tornado.
It sounds so loud. So I'm surprised if you guys can't hear that. Hold on, I need to itch my leg. Jeez, man, it finally died down. I mean, it must have been a plane, but jeez.
It was a plane. It was like, no, but I can't even see it. It has to be like up in the clouds.
God is sending us a message.
Message is run.
Oh my God. That is like nuts. Well, there's the topic for today's video. Jeez.
And then now we're going to just go head back, grab the basketball, and go to the park then.
Yeah. We'll probably cut it when we get out in public, but like, jeez.
Oh, I have an idea where you can put your tablet and you can play something on.
Okay. Oh, frick, man, that is...
We were on the basketball team. Every time when I shoot, I do not flick my wrist like that and just like wait. Like I see there's no point in flicking my wrist.
It makes the ball spin around.
Oh well.
It helps.
When you flick your wrist, it kind of looks like. I don't know. And besides, when I shoot, I like push the ball like that. I don't like flick my wrist.
It just helps a little more than it would. Well, somebody's coming, so I'm going to cut the video here, but that's crazy.
Unless you want to go.
Okay. Well, yeah, I actually think I'll end it here. But that was a crazy noise. Well, we'll see you guys in another one. And as always, peace.